Canada migration racket, accused Brijesh Mishra's fake offer letter led to blacklisting of Punjab student for 5 years. Mishra was sending students to Canada through his registered and licensed consultancy education migration services in Jalandhar. Even as hundreds of Indian students are facing deportation from Canada over fake offer letters provided to them by travel agent Brijesh Mishra and his partners, cases are emerging of others here in Punjab who have been blacklisted by the Canadian government for 5 years after they submitted fake offer letters provided by the same agent to the embassy when applying for study visa. One such case has come into light based on which Jalandhar police have now registered a case against Brijesh Mishra, a resident of Thalwada in Darbhanga, Bihar, his accomplice Gurnam Singh, a resident of Chima Nagar Extension, and Rahul Bhargava, a resident of Kabir Avenue, Ladawali. He is now in the limelight following the deportation letters issued to students in Canada whom he has been sending to the North American nation since 2018. The police said more such victims could emerge as the investigation progresses. A case has been registered in Police Division 6 under sections 465, 467, 468, 471 and 120B of the IPC against Mishra and his accomplices, and the investigation has been handed over to the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit. According to complainant Jagraj Singh of Ferozpur district, after completing BSc, his daughter wished to go to Canada for further studies and they contacted the consultancy in 2018 and met Mishra. After checking the girl's documents, Mishra promised to send her to Canada and a deal was finalized for 17 lakh rupees. Mishra got the offer letter, but the student did not like the college. Mishra then assured them that an offer letter will be procured from another college, said the complainant, adding that they got the new offer letter after paying 65,000 rupees. On March 18, 2019, the girl got a mail from Mishra's office that her visa had arrived and asked them to get the payment of 15.25 lakh rupees ready, the father said in the FIR. However, after scrutiny, the offer letter was found to be fake and the embassy not only cancelled her visa but also blacklisted the girl for 5 years. It was found that the fee amount was also not deposited with the college, said the complainant. As per the FIR, following this, Mishra stopped taking their calls and even started threatening him with dire consequences if he talked about it to anyone else. The police said the preliminary investigation revealed that Mishra, along with his accomplices Gurnam Singh and Bhargava, had cheated the man and his daughter by giving fake offer letters and other documents. Deputy Commissioner, Jalandhar, Jaspreet Singh issued a show-cause notice to Education Migration Services, which was registered in Jalandhar. He also suspended the consultancy's license and asked Bhargava to appear in person at his office on March 20th. Similar instances of fake offer letters have jeopardized the future of several Indian students in Canada who now face deportation from Canada or have been blacklisted from entering that country for 5 years. Karandeep Sandhu, former Sarpanch of Bagula village in Ferozpur district, told Penju Punjabi channel in Canada that 2 sons of his relatives were also banned for 5 years after an Amritsar-based travel agent issued them fake offer letters in 2019. He added that though an FIR was registered against the agent which led to him being jailed for 7 months, the students continue to pay the price for his actions.